Today, we're making a delicious roasted tomato soup with cheddar cheese that's perfect for any season. Let's get started. First, we're going to roast our tomatoes. Grab about 2 pounds of ripe tomatoes, cut them in half, and place them on a baking sheet. Drizzle with olive oil, sprinkle with salt, pepper, and a dash of sugar to enhance the sweetness. Roast them in a preheated oven at 400 degrees for about 25 to 30 minutes until they're caramelized and bursting with flavor. While those are roasting, let's saute some aromatics. In a large pot, heat a tablespoon of olive oil over medium heat. Add 1 chopped onion and 2 minced garlic cloves. Saute until they're soft and fragrant, about 5 minutes. Once your tomatoes are done roasting, add them to the pot along with their juices. Pour in 4 cups of vegetable or chicken broth. This is where the soup really starts to come together. Bring it to a simmer and let it cook for about 10 minutes. Now let's blend it up. Use an immersion blender or transfer the soup to a regular blender in batches until it's smooth and creamy. If you prefer a chunkier texture, blend just half of it. Now for the star ingredient, cheddar cheese. Stir in 1 cup of shredded sharp cheddar until it melts into that luscious soup. For an extra touch, you can add a splash of heavy cream or a sprinkle of fresh basil. And there you have it, a rich, comforting roasted tomato soup with cheddar cheese that's perfect for dipping your favorite crusty bread. Enjoy this bowl of goodness, and remember, good food warms the soul.